Let's talk about something that so many of us deal with: snoring, restless nights, that constant throat irritation. These aren't just little annoyances, they can seriously wreck your life. But what if there was a way to fix the root cause without a single scalpel and with a recovery time of just a few days? Well, we're going to explore a truly groundbreaking laser therapy that's doing exactly that. Now, just look at this statement. When you think of a tonsil procedure, you probably imagine the exact opposite of this, right? Scalpels, pain, a long drawn out recovery. This idea right here, it completely flips the script. It's the promise of a modern, gentle alternative, and it tackles all the biggest fears that come with traditional surgery. So, does any of this hit home for you? The constant feeling of being tired, no matter how much you sleep? Maybe your partner is always nudging you in the middle of the night because of the snoring? Or you've got that recurring sore throat that just never seems to fully go away? These aren't just small issues. They have a massive impact on your quality of life day in and day out. Okay, this is where the difference becomes crystal clear. On one side, you have the traditional tonsillectomy. That means a trip to the hospital for surgery, a high level of pain, and literally weeks of recovery. But then, you look at laser therapy. It's a simple in-office procedure, the discomfort is mild, and you're back on your feet in just 2 to 3 days. And here's maybe the biggest game changer of all. Your tonsils aren't ripped out. They're preserved and gently reshaped. It's a completely different, much smarter approach. So, you're probably wondering, how does this incredible technology actually work? Let's break it down and get into the science of it. The key words here are reduction, not removal. A very precise, calibrated laser gently shrinks those enlarged tonsils that are blocking your airway. This opens everything up so you can actually breathe better. And it does all this while keeping your tonsils right where they belong, doing their job for your immune system. The science behind this is actually pretty elegant. Instead of just cutting tissue away, the laser is tuned to a specific frequency that targets the water inside the tonsil tissue. This gently reduces the volume and, this is the really cool part, it actually stimulates your body's own natural healing process. So it's working with your body, not against it. So what would this journey actually look like for you? It's really a simple, straightforward 3-step process. First, you come in for a comprehensive evaluation, complete with digital imaging, so everything is planned perfectly. Second, there's the laser session itself. It's comfortable and only takes about 30 to 45 minutes, right there in the office. And finally, you get detailed guidance for your post-treatment care to make sure your recovery is as quick and easy as possible. The entire experience is designed to be stress-free. But let's get to the most important question. Does it actually work? Well, the results really do speak for themselves. Just look at these numbers. They are absolutely remarkable. An 80 to 90% reduction in snoring, that's not just a small improvement. That is life-changing for both you and your partner. And even more importantly, a 78% improvement in sleep apnea. We're not just talking about getting better sleep here. We're talking about seriously lowering your risk for major long-term health problems. Of course, the next big question is always, do the results last? And the answer is a huge yes. An incredible 85% of patients are still enjoying those amazing benefits 2 years after the procedure. So no, this isn't some temporary fix. It's a real long-term solution. Let's just talk about that recovery time one more time, because it is such a game changer. 2 to 3 days. Think about that. You could have this procedure done on a Friday and be right back to your normal routine by Monday. For busy people, for families, that convenience is a massive, massive advantage over the weeks of painful downtime that come with old-school surgery. But at the end of the day, it really all comes down to one simple question. Are the patients happy? A 91% satisfaction rate says it all, doesn't it? That is an overwhelmingly positive response from real people, and it confirms that this procedure truly delivers on its promise. So, what's the big idea behind this treatment? It's actually part of a much bigger philosophy, one that looks beyond just your throat and focuses on your entire well-being. The expert leading this therapy in Mansfield is Dr. Jiyoung Jung, and she is really something special. She's not just a multi-year winner of D Magazine's Best Dentist Award, but she's also a respected thought leader who gave a very popular TEDx talk about her unique, holistic approach to health. This quote right here, it's the title of her viral TEDx talk, and it really gets to the core of her entire philosophy. It's this simple but incredibly powerful idea that your oral health, what's going on in your mouth, is directly connected to the health of your entire body. This totally reframes the procedure from being just a snoring fix into a vital step toward total body wellness. And this laser therapy is a perfect example of her 3 pillars of well-being philosophy in action. It all starts with structural balance. The laser physically opens up your airway, improving its structure. This, in turn, promotes chemical balance, because when you get proper sleep, inflammation in your body goes down and everything just functions better. And all of that leads to emotional and mental balance. Because, let's face it, when you're well-rested and feeling good, your entire outlook on life improves. It is all connected. So, if any of this is resonating with you and you're ready to make a change, here's exactly how you can take that first step. This really is the ultimate question, isn't it? Are you ready to go beyond just quieting the noise and start fundamentally improving your energy, your health, and your everyday life? If you're anywhere in the Mansfield, Arlington, Dallas, or Fort Worth area, you can schedule a consultation using all the information right here. We've seen how a quick, simple in-office procedure can be the key to unlocking better health. So really, the only question left to ask is, what could a truly good night's sleep unlock for you?